Hi everyone, I am Subba Raju Sir from Coding Masters. Are you planning to build your career in data science, artificial intelligence or machine learning? Then this video is for you. If you're searching for the best data science training in Hyderabad, it's important to choose an institute that focuses on practical learning rather than just theory. At Coding Masters, our classroom training is designed to help students gain real industry skills. Every concept is explained from the basics with practical examples, making it easy for both freshers and working professionals to understand. During our classroom sessions, you'll experience hands-on practice, real-time live projects, case studies, and industry-oriented assignments. This approach helps you build confidence and prepares you for real workplace challenges. Apart from technical training, we also provide guidance on resume preparation, LinkedIn profile optimization, mock interviews, and placement assistance to help you become job ready. Whether you're a student, working professional, career switcher, or someone returning to the IT industry after a career break, our training program is designed to support your learning journey step by step. If you'd like to see how our classroom sessions are conducted and understand our teaching methodology, I invite you to attend our free classroom demo. In the demo session, we'll explain the complete course roadmap, curriculum, learning approach, project work, batch timings, and answer all your questions. You'll get a clear understanding of how the training is delivered before making your decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Coding Masters YouTube channel for more career guidance, data science updates, and interview preparation tips. Thank you for watching. I am Subba Raju Sir from Coding Masters, and I look forward to meeting you in our classroom demo. See you soon.